Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen my Instagram, you're probably thinking, Alice, is there something you want to tell us? So I have dyed my hair orange. I did film it, but I haven't edited and uploaded it yet because I haven't got around to it. I was going to try and get that video up first, but I really want to get this video up first because it's more exciting. I'm not going to go into any more detail because obviously I did make a video on it, but my hair's now orange, so if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Alice. I do makeup tutorials, reviews and testing videos and stuff like that here on my channel on YouTube, so it would mean a lot if you could subscribe if you want to. My Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there. I just post makeup over there, a lot of makeup. Okay, so obviously this video is about the new Anastasia Beverly Hills collection, so it's their kind of summer collection, I think. So we have a few different things. The first thing I'm going to show you is this beautiful box. This is the body oil, shimmer body oil. Look how beautiful that is. Spray. Yeah, it's a spray. It smells nice. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see any difference? Okay, well I'm not sure why it's not showing up, but smells nice. I'm not sure what that smell is. Yeah, it's just got a really nice glow to it. It's got quite a bit of shimmer in it, like glittery bits in it, but I don't think you can see that. I might try and use a little bit on my face before I put on the makeup, like my face makeup, but I'll do that later. Launches on the 21st of May. I think they all launch on the 21st. And, oh, it doesn't say how much it is. $38. So I think it will probably be around £38 as well, which is quite expensive, but it's quite luxurious. So then we have this really cute Pigments box. So there are 5 pigments. These launch on the ABH website on the 21st again, and these are $22 each, which again is quite pricey, but Anastasia is quite a pricey brand. They are really big packages though, to be honest. They're quite big. They have 6 grams in them. Icy. I knew it'd be called Icy. That's the shade Icy. This is the shade Crystal. And that's it there next to Icy. And this is hardly any product, by the way. Oh, this is an interesting shade. It's like pinky gold reflex. It's so cute. Love that. So that's Daiquiri. Then we have the shade Sand. And the final shade is the shade Desert. It's like a dark, rusty gold. It's really pretty. Obviously my swatches are really bad. I cannot swatch for the life of me. Not sure if I'll be able to use all of them. Maybe I will try to. But yeah, those are the 5 shades. And then the last thing is the matte lipstick set. Like mini ones. They come in this really cute white packaging instead of their usual black. I'm guessing these are going to be £22 or $22 because on their website it is $22 or £22 for a set of matte mini lipsticks. Oh, they're so cute. I've not had any of the ABH mini lipsticks before. They are so cute. I'm gonna die. I think these 2 are matte, like completely matte, no shimmer, no shine. But actually maybe this one does have a bit. This orangey one is the shade Orange Blossom, and then this more browny nude shade is the shade Coconut. And then we have Guava, which is like an orange but with shimmer in it. And then we have Lychee, which is like a darker shade. Don't know what to call it. So the bottom 2 were harder to swatch because they have glitter in them. So that was the package, and it also came with these temporary flash tattoos. Cute. Thank you, Anastasia, for sending this package. It really, really means a lot. I still cannot believe I'm on the PR list, and I don't think I'll ever get over it. So yeah, But I'm really excited to review these and try them out. So let's get going. So I'm first going to prime my eyelids with the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Illustrate. So I'm going to go in with this single shadow in the shade Papaya. I'm not sure if they sell this still. It's from the Daytime and Sunset collection. And I'm going to take an A26 brush from Anastasia. And I'm just going to kind of pan that on my outer corner and run it through my crease. Okay, so I've just done that kind of really naturally, and now I'm going to take this single shadow, Brick, which is this one right there. Just going to take it on the same brush. Okay, so that's what I've done so far. I'm going to take a little bit of the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take a little brush and I'm just going to put a little base for the pigments. And I'm going to do the other in a second, but firstly I'm just going to take the Desert pigment and take that more on the outer part of the eye, but not all the way out, just so I can fit a few different shades in. Now I'm going to go in with some of Sand and do the same thing, just further along. And then I'm going to go in with Daiquiri, just like on the more inner part. I'm going to spray my brush with a bit of Dewy Set setting spray just to make them a little bit more intense. I'm going to move on and do my face makeup. I'm going to try some of the body oil underneath my makeup. Spray is actually quite scary. I'm going to do my base and come back to you and tell you how I feel about the body oil underneath my makeup. Yeah, we shall see. Okay, so what I've done is I have intensified the eyeshadow just a little bit because, you know, I added a bit of NYX glitter primer to intensify the pigment, and I also added some of the crystal shade on the inner corner instead of the daiquiri shade. So crystal pigment as my highlighter, so I have a bit on a palette. I'm going to use the Anastasia A23 brush. Ooh, that's nice. I'm going to put some on my inner corner. I'm actually going to use some of the Icy shade. So these are the Eldora FM10 lashes. They're really pretty. Now I'm going to go on and use a lipstick, like an orangey one of the orangey ones. Might try Guava. Okay, so that's quite hard to apply actually because it's got glitter in it. I'm going to go in with the Orange Blossom one now. I'm going to go in with a lip liner just on my cupid's bow to where I overline my lips. This is a really different look for me. It's really natural for me. I never wear this sort of makeup, so I'm pretty shook. Not sure how I feel about it, but the products are really nice. The pigments aren't as foiled as I wanted them to be and hoped they'd be. Some of them, so like the shades Icy, Crystal and Desert, I think it is. The darkest and the two lightest are the most foiled and like show up the most, I feel like. You can also obviously use them as a highlighter, which I really like that I've done. It's so pretty, and it's like, because it's a pigment, it's really like smooth. Yeah, I really like it. The lipsticks, I really like this orange blossom shade. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, but then I'm not sure about the Guava shade. I find them a little bit hard to apply because they've got glitter in. They're a little bit scratchy. Oh, the body oil. I forgot to say, I like it underneath my makeup. I don't think it's made much of a difference because obviously I did set my makeup, which I always do. I was worried my makeup wouldn't settle on my face as well as it would usually, because I was worried that this wouldn't really work, but it worked perfectly fine. It's nice. It's a little bit bitty, but I'm going to try it on my body more. I might put a bit on my shoulder right now. Let's see if I can I'm like strangled the other side, but let's see. Okay, I'm not sure. It's not the most like shimmery thing. It's more like glitter particles and oil, but it'll be nice. It's quite nice and moisturising. I feel like when you're showing a bit of a leg and you want to make your legs moisturised and have a little bit of glow, then yeah, that's nice. Hey, say hello to everyone. Don't be mean. Don't be mean. Look, hello. Hey pretty girl, can you see me in the mirror? Hey pretty girl. This collection isn't my favourite, but I think it is really nice for summer. I feel really like golden goddess glowy. Probably don't even look that good, but in the viewfinder I'm kind of feeling myself. In the mirror I'm not, but yeah. Anyway, I'm not sure if I'll be posting a picture of this look on Instagram because it's very neutral. Maybe I will, see how it does. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you are new. It would really, really mean a lot. As I said before, my Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there. I think that's all I have to say. I hope you're having a really lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye!